Technics is celebrating their 60th anniversary at the CES event with a new flagship pair of wireless earbuds. Now, the model we are looking at is the EAH-AZ100. This is a beast of a product, more or less. Now, the brand, they say that this flagship earbuds will be way better than the previous flagship, which is the EAH-AZ80. They've been redesigned to offer a more smaller, more lightweight design. In fact, it's going to fit most ears better now, especially women. You know, most women don't have larger ear canals compared to men, so this would be more suited for females compared to what they were selling before in the EAH-AZ80. So now this new model has this new ML option. There is also the fact that it has active noise cancellation that's been improved compared to the previous model. There is a new adaptive ANC feature which adjusts the level of noise cancelling automatically to the strongest level for the best experience at any time in any situation. There is also the fact that this new AZ100 comes equipped with a new voice focus AI feature that combines an AI noise reduction chip with exclusive tuning. Then there is also 3 microphones in each earbuds. It will eliminate background noise to focus solely on the caller's voice. So this is a very nice new release from Technics. Now, Technics is promising a very dynamic sound. It's very detailed for listeners, and it has a new magnet fluid driver technology. This is a tech that aims to deliver low distortion performance and very good bass reproduction, as well as natural high resolution. And it has a new driver. You have a new 10mm ultra thin free edge aluminum diaphragm. That's what you get inside. Now, this model has an open sound. From what has been said about it already, the AZ100 can deliver very detailed sound in many respects in terms of clarity, and then the improvement again that supersedes the previous AZ80 is the battery life. The battery life on these new earbuds has been extended a lot better than the previous model. The AZ100 has 10 hours of battery life on a single charge, and it can go all the way up to 28 hours in total with the charging case. And when you turn ANC on, that's a lot better than the previous model. The previous model could only last 7 hours on a single charge and around 25 hours with the case. So that's some of the key differences. Now, other key new features is the industry first 3-way Bluetooth multi-point with better customization this time around. You will also have Dolby Atmos spatial audio capability with dynamic head tracking, and there will also be support for higher quality LDAC codec. You will even have Oralcast support. The AZ100 earbuds are even available in 2 finishes, black or silver finish. It's going to cost £260 in the UK and $300 in the US. They are definitely going to challenge Apple, Bose, and Sony in the earbuds market right now. Technics is very, very good with their pricing. They don't overcharge you. They are not like other brands that get greedy at times and overcharge you for some of their true wireless earbuds. They are sensible with their pricing. That's why I kind of respect them more or less. So I'm going to drop details down below if you guys are interested in the new Technics EAH-AZ100. It's now available for pre-order if you're interested in it. So go to the official website and you can check it out there. Do subscribe to the channel. Do like our content. Please make sure you follow us here as well as our social media handle. I'll see you guys very much next time.